Hi, this is Brian Katzin with KCSG Power Tools for Kartra at kpowertools.com. One of the questions that comes up from time to time is there a way to restrict sales at checkout to specific countries? Now, I have an example of how you can do that with my KCSG DataLink library. In the example section, there's an example called Restrict Checkout for Countries. And basically what you do is you copy this code into the body section, the body tracking section of your Kartra page, and apply and save that. In the code, you need to configure the list of allowed countries. There's a section that defines which country codes are prohibited, basically by saying anything that's not equal to one of the allowed codes is a prohibited country code. And if the country code in the dropdown, and it uses the ISO 3-letter country code standard. So for example, United States is USA and Canada is CAN. So those are what I'm using in my example. If the country code is not USA and not Canada, it will disable the submit button on the checkout form. So if you save that, I've got my little test page set up here. If you save that, it looks like this. And so here's our submit button. You can see when I have it set to United States, it's enabled. When I have it set to Canada, it's enabled. If I set it to someplace else, then the submit button becomes disabled. So United Kingdom or Australia, if I go back to United States or Canada, the submit button is enabled. So that is one way that you can restrict sales to specific countries.